Do you want to know, guys, what are the most important tips to optimize your LinkedIn profile? So myself Karan Trivedi, and in this video I will give you some of the most important tips that can help you in your profile optimization. So let's start with photos. So first is the cover photo. So the main purpose of cover photo is you have to show your expertise, your skills and your knowledge. So you can create that accordingly. You can create it from Canva and you can showcase your best one. Then second one is profile photo. So in profile photo I will definitely suggest that you just display your face and crop all other photos so that you can have an easy connection, so easily everyone can recognize you. So it's good to display only face on profile photo. Then another thing is headline part. So you have to write your skills, expertise and your knowledge in the headline. So for example, if you want to display you have to display your skills, knowledge priority wise. So if you are like, for example, I am a LinkedIn expert, so I have written it on the first line. Then you can prioritize your skills, knowledge, so it will help you in ranking for a specific keyword. So these all are keywords, so it's depend on the keywords that you want to rank on LinkedIn search. So you can have a, and LinkedIn will give you around 160 character of headline, so you have to maximize the use of. So you can do like this way. And the next one is a summary part. So in summary part, LinkedIn will give you a 2000 character space, so use maximum as you can. So in summary part you can have all the things that your experience, your past experience, your skills, your knowledge, what your hobby, what your passion are. You can include anything you want, but it will be in the context of professional, because LinkedIn is a network of professionals. So whenever anyone can visit your profile, then it's good to write up a professional summary. Then next thing is featured section. So basically in featured section you can use you can add your website or any specific URL which you want user to redirect to that URL. Then another thing is experience. So you have to list out all the past company experience and with your roles in a detail, so it will give you a boost in your profile. Then we can say education section. So in education section you can have a education listing from starting to the graduation. Then licensing and certification section. So here you can list your certification you have done. So whether you have done from Udemy or any from university, so whatever your certification or whatever your skills you have improved on that certification, so you can list down all the stuff here. And it is easy and good that when anyone can visit your profile, it will give a very brief introduction about what certification you have done. And skills and endorsement, this is also a major part. So if anyone can endorse you, or if in your particular skills, then it will be a great possibility that you can rank higher. And also a recommendation is also a great part. So whenever you can have a recommendation from others, then it is give a great impact on the viewer who are watching your profile or seeing your profile. And also you can ask for recommendation and the honor and award. So in your life, whatever the researches you have done or whatever honor or awards you get, you can list down all the accomplishments here. So these are the major sections that will be helpful for you. And so you can directly, if you want to add any section, then you can have a different types of intro, about section, feature section. So you can have a post, article, link, media in your feature section. Then in background part you can have a work experience, detail, education, license and certification, volunteer experience if it is. Then skills part, you have to add skills, your skills, and people can endorse based on your skills. Then accomplishment will include all this stuff, and additional information will to request a recommendation. So I will definitely say that at least you can have a one section from each and everyone and provide more details on each and every, like you have honored in particular degree or award, then you can add that degree or award, and you can add some description of what you have done on that award, or whatever you have done in that certification, that can help viewers to easily connect with you and contact with you. So these are the all major sections which can help you to boost your profile whenever anyone can try to search. So basically it is obviously the LinkedIn is also based on search engine, so your keywords matters a lot. So whenever, even if I will suggest you that whatever keyword you have used in headline, you can also try to use at least all those keywords in the first 3 to 4 lines in summary section. So it will be great when anyone can search from here and using any keyword, then it will more possibility that you can rank higher. So these are the main major aspects are there, and rather than that I will suggest you one thing is that you can always have a proper public URL. So like for example, if I am go here, I will go here. So my profile, public profile is this linkedin.com/karantriveditech. So you must have a custom URL rather than any numeric things. So rather than that, you can have a custom URL. So whenever you are you can just give it that URL, and people can easily find out you. And the other major thing is when you can have all the stuff completed, done, then you can also measure your profile, that what is your current score and how you can improve that. So for that, first you have to do is, first you have to save your profile as save to PDF. So it will create a one simple CV which will include all the details from starting from headline to summary and all the details. And after that, you just have to go to a particular site which is resumeworded.com. So in this site, what you can achieve is you can have a knowledge of what are the improvement criteria for your LinkedIn profile and which things are missing from your site. So first of all, you can have a login. So I have logged in, and so first when you are logged in, you just have to click on LinkedIn profile review, and after that you have to upload the PDF which is downloaded from the LinkedIn profile by going into more and clicking on to save to PDF. So I am just doing a drag and drop and upload it on resume worded. So here is this, I have just uploaded. Now resume worded will identify your profile, and it will give you a brief knowledge on which things you are missing and which can be a possible improvement area. So as you can see here, resume worded analyzed my profile and it is giving a score. So yes, So my profile score is 94%, as you can see here. So in that there is also a breakdown, like what is the score of your headline, summary, experience and education and others. So whenever if there is a lesser score, then you have to focus on that section and you can improve that area. So like for example, if you go into the experience or any part, you can have a suggestion that you can have to do this stuff to improve the profile. So that is the major thing that will help you. So I will prefer that at least your profile score should be minimum 80 plus. So it will good. If you want to rank higher, then 80 plus should be there. And so this is the way you can optimize and identify your score, and you can improve your score based on that. So whenever you can, once you can get identify the scope of improvement, then you can also again check anytime your score, and based on that you can improve your profile. So it is a recursive process, you can say. So that's the main major thing. And rather than that, if you want to know more about the profile summary, and then you can also look into my profile, and I will share this link on video or in description definitely, so you can have an idea that what things you are missing in your profile, that is reducing your profile score. So these are the major and important tips for profile optimization. So thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great day and goodbye.